Reverse explode. Regroup. Pass the C. Cross by right on the ground. And rounding. Heads, wheel through. Pass in. Touch water. Ball and circulate once and a half. You got a weight-based triangle. Circulate. The center 6. Circulate once and a half. You got an inside weight-based triangle. Circulate. Heads counter-rotate. Sides partner trade. Inside tandem-based triangle. Circulate twice, 2 times. Boys, single wheel. Circulate once and a half. Bend the line, you're home. Heads past the ocean. Center swing through. All the boys pass through. Center forward, lock it. You got a weight-based triangle. Circulate. Sides do a half tag and counter-rotate. Heads hinge and a U-turn back. You got a tandem-based triangle. Circulate. Everybody work in centric, recycle. Scoop and ramble. Peel and trail. Square chain through. And around the grand grab. And around eagle. Heads past the ocean. Scoop and ramble. Double pass through. Trap 2. Explode away. Chase your neighbor. Do a left swing through. Trade circulate. All boys run. Double circulate. And do a half tag. Relay the top star 1 half. Circulate. Run on grand, grand, run on grand. And a double ankle. Sides past the ocean. Scoop and little. Always run. Square bases. Single circle. Go away. Slip. Always run. Square bases. Touch 1/4. Slip. Scoop chain through. 1/4 through. Stretch recycle. Zoom. Dixie drain. Out to the corner. Now heads wheel through. And rotary spin. Scoot back. In roll circulate. Explode away. Chase right. Do a 1/4 through. All boys run. Stretch, turn the needle. Center swing through. Extend, slip. Boys run. Square bases. With heavy bases. Relay the top. Two-thirds recycle. And run on the direct. Big partner here at our ankle. Now the heads pass the ocean. Scoop and plucky. extend, percolate. Do a wheel and deal. All the boys in the middle pass through. Touch one corner. Triple box, walk it down. Triple box, shake down. The axle. We have lines. Good. Touch one corner. Circulate. Always run. Centers pass through. Relay the top. From here, centers left remake. Crossbody, out, and around angle. Sides pass in. The centers cross and turn. Touch quarter. Slip. Scatter scoop. Quarter through. The boys run and roll. Girls, quarter through. Extend. Cross your neighbor. Switch to an interlock diamond. Interlock diamond, circulate. Flip the interlock diamond. Couple, circulate. Cross roll. Work tandem. Boys cross run. Cross body around the turn. Lost 2 minutes. Sides past the C. Cross extend. Percolate. Explode the line. Turn and deal. Boys pass through. Touch a quarter. Slip. Swing through. Flip the line. Girls cross cast back. Boys shake down. Girls pass in. Swing and circle 1/2. Extend and weave. Extend, come on up, turn. Meet here at a high. Sides past the ocean. Extend, split, recycle. Tidal wave, tidal wave, tidal wave. Hinge. Check over. Stretch, turn and deal. All the boys in the middle pass through and touch one corner. Fan the top. Relay the shadow. Now the girls counter rotate, boys left corner through. Have a tandem-based triangle. Circulate. The centers recycle. The centers past the ocean. Got diamonds. Cut the diamond. Turn and deal. Relay the top. Flip back. And around, drag, around, and around. Big partner coming in. Sides pass in. Centers cross and turn. Touch one corner. Slip and the boys run. Square the bases. Pass in. Touch one corner. Check over. Stretch, turn and deal. On the girls, pass through and touch a corner. pass in, touch a corner, check over. Couple circulate, stretch, turn and kneel. All the boys pass through, touch a corner, percolate. Chase your neighbor and spread. Follow through. Cross roll away. Cast the shadow. Harmony hold. Now the heads touch one corner. Make magic. Magic column circulate. Magic column transfer the column. Left-handed wave, left-handed wave. Boys cross run. Relay the top. Percolate. Hands bend. Split square chain through. The axle. We got lines. Passing, centers pass through, cross chain and roll. Vertical tag, one half. Recycle. And around the grain. And the last one here. And harmony hold. Sides, wheel fan turn, rotary spin, counter rotate, slip, all the boys run, pass the C, alter the wave. Boys cross hold, all passed in. Past the ocean. Switch to an diamond. Interlock diamond circulate. Boys turn and feel the girls zing. Boys pass through, touch a corner. Counter rotate. Recycle. Bow in the corner.